Was 21 years old. During those years I picked up to learn to play the keyboard, the harmonium, mouth organ, trumpet, but most of the time I play the guitar. And in my life as a guitarist, going here and there performing and singing, people, especially young boys and young girls, asking me, please teach me also to play the guitar, please, please, please. But because of the time pressure and the lack of instrument, and because we don't have guitar, and like the house where I stay is far from their house, there are so many problems. Because of those problems I could not do what they were asking me to do. However, now with the internet, with the help of internet, we can reach across to so many youngsters who are out there in their houses looking at me to learn the guitar. So first of all, I thank Sir Matthew who has invited me to be part of this channel. So I'm just here to collaborate with him because he wants content, and because I'm a musician, I play the guitar. My talent you can learn from me. I'm here not to teach you all to become professional. I am here to teach you to learn only the basic of the guitar. With my techniques, I also believe that you will be able to play as many songs as possible. I will teach you from the start, from the basic level. Slowly we shall go to the higher level, how to hold the chords and how to sing the song and the pitch and all those things. Alright, so let's get started. The foundational skills. In the foundational skills, first of all, when you want to play any instrument, you should know its part. Okay, here I have the guitar, and this is called the body. So this is the body of the guitar, and in the body you have this place around here. This is called a bridge. So in the bridge there are like nail to make the strings tight. Okay. And then you have here the black one. This is what they call it a pick guard. So when you play the guitar, the pick guard is here, and always you will see goes like this. This is the body. Now when you go to the body, first let us go to the neck. This is the neck of the guitar. So these are called frets. You see, frets. It is inside, okay, inside the bar, inside the fret bar. When you hold the chords, it should be inside the fret, the bars. So these are called frets. The chords are formed or placed with your fingers inside the fret, or on the frets. Frets, here we have the neck of the guitar, the neck of the guitar. This is whole thing we call the head, and on the head of the guitar you have the tuning pegs or tuning keys. So these tuning keys, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me tell you something about this. The first one is tuning peg. First one, you get the E string. This is called E string. Please remember, this is E. Second one is A. Tuning peg 2 is A. 3 is D. Okay, this is D. This is G. This is G. You get B, E again. The last string is E, same as E on top. So there are 6 strings: E, A, D, G, B, E. So I hope you have understood up to that much. E, A, D, G, B, E. So as you know, E, A, D, G, B, E, you get open string. Sometimes you may find out that the guitar is not in the position. I'll teach you how to tune the guitar without a tuner. How to tune the guitar without a tuner. So how to tune the guitar without a tuner. Now I have detuned the guitar. Okay. Now you see, as I have told you about the frets. First fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret. On the fifth fret, you press the E string with any of your finger. I'm pressing with the middle finger here. Okay, now you have to tighten this a little bit. Okay, now you have tightened first, second, third, fourth, fifth. On the fifth string, press. Now the fifth string, A string, should sound the same as the E. So it should sound E. See? Okay, now it's okay. Again, for tuning the fourth string, press the fifth string on the same fret. So it should produce the same note. Okay, now it is okay, same note. Now E, A, D you have already tuned. G string, it is not alright, it is not the same, that's why again on the same fret, press the D string, then try to adjust. Okay. Now it is the same, yes or no? More or less, yes. Okay, now listen carefully. E, A, D, G. We have tuned the string up to G. For the B string, you have to press the G string on the fourth fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then adjust the second string till it becomes the same tune. Yes, now this is the same tune. Alright, for the E string, that means the first string, you have to press again on the fifth fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth fret. Make it the same tune or same note. You have to tighten. That's how you can tune the guitar without the help of any tuner. Nowadays it is easy because tuner is available. However, if there is no tuner, we can tune like that. To tune, press the first, second, third, fourth, fifth fret, the sixth string. Then when it is same, press here again. When it is same, press here again. When it is same, now for the second string, press on the fourth fret, and for the first string, press on the same fret. That's how you can get the guitar tuned.